Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have another Shadow High doll to open, to unbox, and review. I got a kick out of her name. It is Shanelle Onyx, and when Rainbow High dolls first came out, I lost one of her shoes on the way here and can't find it. I'll find it. When Rainbow High dolls first came out, I love that their names were two colors like Jade Hunter and all of that. So anyway, this was a Sunny Madison, and I redid her to become Onyx Nayor. I'm really proud of her. I like her a lot. Wish I wouldn't have lost her shoe. Those are some that Darren made the soles for. I got to get some more of those going because I absolutely love them. So we are going to unbox Shanelle Onyx. We got her out of the box. It is a struggle, but I got to tell you, these dolls are incredible. I mean, it's amazing. I sew for dolls, and these clothes are, oh my goodness. Before we get into it, I want to remind everybody about May the 4th challenge. And it is anything space. And we're going to have a hashtag. Darren, could you enter that here? Because I forgot. I think it was May the 4th space or anything space. I can't remember. We'll put it in. And everyone is invited to join in on the challenge. Just get out your dolls, anything space. Astronauts, space print, star print, anything. And let's have a little fun with May the 4th. These dolls, oh, first of all, the first thing I noticed was this hair. It is long, it is thick, and I cannot tell you how soft and luxurious this hair is. I just want to take it down and play with it. She is, oh my. She has this little bracelet. She has these cool earrings. Not only does she have a bow in her hair, it's got a jewel. I hate this hair painted on. I just can't stand it. But there it is. The rest of her makeup is absolutely gorgeous. This dress is beyond cute. It has a Shadow High SH buckle. The little dress has layers and layers. Oh, she has painted on silver panties. Can't say I like painted on. Hate it, but there they are. These shoes and socks. I hate socks with sandals. I do not like socks with high heels. I am loving this. The shoe has a little black bow. I need a white piece of paper to put between so you can see that. It has it makes me think of a pipe cleaner at the toe. And then lace socks. Not only that, they are gathered lace. Unbelievable. The articulation in these dolls is fantastic. Look how high she can put her foot up. I just heard something fall. Oh, earring. I am having trouble with these dolls' earrings falling out. It's like they drilled the holes a little too large. So if you get one of these dolls, beware. Darren and I were lucky enough to find these at a Walmart in Florida while we were on vacation for $22 each. I am lucky enough that we got at least one of each. And I'm going to be unboxing them all. We got them all. Look at the nails on her. Oh, they are long and painted, long and sharp, like Lily Munster's used to be. That's what I was saying about Heather Graystones. Graysons. They're just like Lily Munster's. They're long and sharp and black. And that was not a thing in the 60s. Well, they were pointed, but not like that. Absolutely gorgeous dolls. This little outfit has little plastic small straps. She's just, these Shadow High when you see them on screen or in pictures, they do not look as good as they do when you pull them out of the box. They are just incredible. Look at my new stands. I don't really care for the rainbow high stands. It makes their arms stick out to their side because they're so bulky up here. But Darren's stands are so much nicer. See how they can put their arms down? What's that say? Meet me at the St. Louis Doll Show. That's coming up July 31st through August the 3rd. And we have a lot planned for there if you're coming. Darren made these stands and he put her name on this one. I love it. He would do that for all of them, but it takes quite a bit longer. And well, we have the gray and I love it. I would say, oh, and I wanted to show you these extra clothes, the second outfit. Oh my God. Look at that lacy netting, I can't think of the name of it, fabric. And then we have this that's studded and the houndtooth fabric that is silver and black with the little studs. I'm telling you, I can't get over it. Also, the shoes have the same jewel. You know what? I think that's the same as her belt. No, it's the same as her bow and her hair. She comes with a comb, and there was a stand in there, right?
Yeah, it's behind that clothes.
And a stand. We got these dolls for $22 each. I doubt anybody can beat that price for a couple years, or a year at least. I'm telling you, many more details than you can see in the photos. I love these dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking about these dolls. Are you buying them? Did you get them? Have you seen them in stores? Do they look better to you? And please, subscribe.